My name is Bill Hedrick. I'm an Assistant City Prosecutor and the Chief of Staff for Columbus City Attorney Richard C. Pfeiffer, Jr. There are currently thousands of outstanding warrants in Franklin County. This program, which is being sponsored by the Columbus City Attorney's Office, is our attempt to address this issue. There are a variety of ways in which individuals face arrest warrants. A warrant has been issued by the police and the person has avoided apprehension. An individual has been given a court date and fails to appear in court. An individual had an initial court date but then stopped coming to court. A person has been found guilty but they failed to pay their fines and court costs, or they failed to report to jail. Finally, a person who received probation as part of his or her sentence faces a probation revocation warrant if the terms and conditions of the warrant are not followed. The warrants highlighted in this program are misdemeanors because those are the crimes prosecuted by the Columbus City Attorney's Office. The Columbus City Attorney's Office does not handle felony cases. If you're an individual facing an outstanding warrant, how can this affect your life? 1. You always have to be looking over your shoulder, fearful of arrest at any time or anywhere. 2. A warrant block is placed on your driver's license. You will not be able to renew your driver's license, nor will you be able to obtain a vehicle registration. 3. An outstanding warrant will show up on a background check if you're applying for a job and/or government benefits. More information and a listing of outstanding warrants can be found at the City Attorney's website, columbuscityattorney.org. This program and the lists are updated on a monthly basis. If you have any information on any of the individuals listed in this program, please feel free to contact me, Assistant City Prosecutor Bill Hedrick, at 614-645-8874, or email me at brhedrick@columbus.gov. There are no rewards offered for this program. Today's program is going to be focused on animal cruelty and animal abandonment charges. These are crimes that are prosecuted by the Columbus City Attorney's Office. The vast majority of animal cruelty charges are investigated and filed by the Capital Area Humane Society. If you want to report animal cruelty, call 614-777-7387, extension 250. Lawrence Bishop. Mr. Bishop was found guilty of animal cruelty. He attacked a dog with a butcher knife to intimidate the dog's owner. Luckily, the animal in question survived. Mr. Bishop's warrant is for failing to report to jail. He currently owes 135 days for his case. LaMonica Keys. Ms. Keys has a warrant for failure to appear to answer charges for animal cruelty and animal abandonment. Mrs. Keys' last known address was 861 Reinhardt Avenue, Columbus. Amy Stover. Ms. Stover was convicted of animal cruelty and currently has a warrant for failure to meet the conditions of her probation. Ms. Stover's case involves severe animal hoarding of both multiple live and dead animals. Tyree Silmon. Mr. Silmon has a warrant for failure to appear to answer 3 counts of animal cruelty and animal abandonment. Mr. Silmon's last known address was 2864 Norwood Street, Columbus. Calvin Channel. Mr. Channel was convicted of animal abandonment, which resulted in the death of several animals. Mr. Channel has a warrant for failure to meet the conditions of his probation. Kevin Hunt. Mr. Hunt has a warrant for failure to appear to answer to 2 counts of animal cruelty. His last known address is 2854 East 10th Avenue. Charlotte Badgley and Christina Badgley. This mother-daughter team have outstanding warrants for failure to appear to answer 8 counts of animal cruelty and animal abandonment. Jacqueline McNamara. Ms. McNamara was convicted of animal cruelty for an animal hoarding situation. She currently has a warrant for failing to meet the conditions of her probation. Douglas Earps. Mr. Earps has a warrant for failure to appear to answer to 5 counts of animal cruelty. His last known address was 2328 Atwood Terrace, Columbus. If you are one of the individuals listed in this program, you are encouraged to turn yourself in or to seek legal counsel to address your warrant. The Columbus Bar Association's lawyer referral number can be reached at 614-221-0754, and the Franklin County Public Defender's Office can be reached at 614-525-3194. If you have any information on any of the individuals listed in this program, please feel free to contact me, Assistant City Prosecutor Bill Hedrick, at 614-645-8874, or email me at brhedrick@columbus.gov. There are no rewards offered for this program. Each month, Fugitive Files will highlight warrants for crimes prosecuted by the Columbus City Attorney's Office. Citizens' assistance and input is what makes this program successful.